want to play that song right now just for no reason.
Just because. What's up, guys?
Didn't get the
So having
song,
some
but that would
ISW
just start the
issues. Gonna
day.
get that out of the way at the, right up front. Not exactly
Are
sure
we live streaming
what's
this,
going
Sean?
there. Yeah. Don't play it over the mic if you don't mind.
And I will play it softly.
I literally just turned it on just to get everyone updated on if they're here for the scanners since they're not working.
See, look at me looking out for you. This is me looking out for you.
I appreciate you looking out for me, who also likes to be looked out by you, for you, by you.
Exactly. I mean, I was looking out for you, who's looking out for your channel. So, in turn, I was looking out for your channel. Good morning, YouTube land.
YouTube land.
This is Devin Danger Davis.
I just put the cards in the bag and he didn't like that.
It didn't touch your own bag.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Cards in the bag and it didn't like that. I'm in the mood today.
You said you liked NK?
I do like NK. Why do you ask?
Just asking.
It's a freaking beautiful gap up. Can you guys hear that or no?
No. Right.
Brad,
I'm gonna reset
yes.
my computer.
Huh?
I'm gonna have to reset my computer. It's acting weird.
Word.
I'll be right back.
Here we go, guys. What do we got? 7, 8 minutes? 8 minutes?
Yep.
Tell me NK is not like the perfect gap up, man. I mean, if that doesn't go today, God, I would be shocked.
Oh wow, yeah, that looks like a squeeze.
I mean, as far as gap ups are concerned, that is a perfect gap up.
1940, it even held that as support like it's supposed to.
Yeah. I mean, that gap is just saying, I am going to run.
Yeah, it does look that way.
It's doing it
YOLO
now.
long.
Yeah. It's not often you see that perfect of a gap up, man. Where it literally just kind of gapped right above the previous resistance after a red day. I mean, that's just saying squeeze some shorts.
30 up 37%.
Now it's 38%.
So why don't we buy it at 1960?
Steve, did I miss the memo that stock can only be up 37% on the day?
Yeah, check your email.
Oh, okay. Well, darn it, it just went up to 39, so it's already over its allotted limit. Oh, 40.
Well, now it's a short. Now it's a short back down to 38%.
I gotcha. Jump in.
Morning, Thomas. Good morning, Constantine. Got a little bit of a workaround here. I gotta turn scene switcher off. Let me just move my Discord for the time being. We've got about 2 minutes here. Crop this real quick. Alright, so this is our workaround for right now. Can all thank David from Team ISW for this. Give this one more try real quick. Still nada. Alright, so if you guys want the scanners, David is kind of helping me with the workarounds, kind of sort of on the live stream, so. Somehow I got disconnected from there.
Over 937.
I have the scanners kind of sort of running.
Let me turn her
Oh,
down.
I can't. Oh, shit. we go. Sorry about that. Alright, so this is what we're working with. Good luck, everybody. See if we can find something here. Yeah, what did GME do? Gap back up. Constantine, not going to bother David with getting. I mean, I can ask him real quick actually, because I know that would be perfect for you. I asked him. He ignores me a lot, like while he's trading. So we'll see if he actually sees it. He's already doing us a big favor. Sun W running SSR. Yep, he saw it. He's gonna get it in there for you. Do you want the ultra or just the regular? I don't see too many shorts as of right now, that's for sure. I'm just gonna tell him to go with the ultra since you're not answering me. FRSX. What did that do? A lot of SSR today. Alright, Constantine, he's got the minus I3 Ultra up there for you. Does he have the monitor? Yeah, he does. Kalak. Ooh. Really no volume there. Beyond ran, it looks like. Still running. with something like this. Big names have been trouble lately. Nobody wants to sell them. BNGO trying to run. Waiting for a pop through 6 here on bingo, but we never got it. Sorry, we're still trying to figure out the ISW issue. Looks like Brian figured it out. Now it's just a matter of getting it fixed. MBot moving. Volume's not that great. Big spike here. What's the float on this? 7 mil. Be careful with the float on this. That one. Even if we would have shorted there at 953, that's what the bid was at. The ask is still there, even on that big drop. That's the problem sometimes with these lower floats, is the spread gets out of control. Get a big drop like that. Okay, there it goes. Yeah, geez, look at that drop on MBot. That would have been nice. I wanted to see the 10 test there. Didn't quite get there. Bingo's trying to get up there towards 6. I'm gonna take off. Not gonna look at that. BT making a move off the bottom here. $32 mil float on this one. Just trying to get filled there at 77. Not getting any fill. I didn't get any fill at 77. I was in between the bid and the ask there. Nobody was hitting the ask. Didn't get any fill. That kind of sucks. That would have been a good one. Was just risking off those pre-market highs too. Ah, that one's frustrating. It's literally just sitting in between the bid there. Bid and the ask, I mean. Bingo through 6. Oh, Bingo making a big move here. Alright, we're short Bingo. 627. For this pullback down to 6. I love buying these breakouts right now. Buy the dip, they say. This thing's getting some action. Just looking for this $6 test here. I added to my position, just risking high of day. Just looking for the 6 test. Come on, give us that little flush. There we go. Come on, all the way down to 6. I'm gonna take half there just to be safe. Stop back at high of day. Actually gonna put it at 631. 632 apparently. Was really hoping for the flush down into the under 610, but didn't seem to want to get there. If we get back up towards like 630, but not quite, I might look to add those shares back. If not, we're gonna look to ride this down under 6. It's looking like it wants to go back up here. We're just going to keep our little bracket order in that we have here. 631 stop out. Looking for the 6 test for the take profit on the rest. Average is sitting at, oh, might not matter what our average is sitting at. Not looking good here at 630. Yep, and we're through. We got stopped out. Alright, so that actually ended up being a break-even trade because that's what stocks do lately. They just have this whatever minor pullback that they're having, and then they continue. Need to just start buying the dips, I guess. I don't know why I'm like sick to my stomach right now. SPCE getting demolished. It's funny because that pullback on BNGO was actually still a green candle. Crazy. 350 is a big spot here. Or 650, sorry. A lot of shares sitting here. Yeah, I should have shorted that. So I had a feeling that it was going to run into resistance there. I could have just got right back out if I needed to. Had a feeling that drop was coming. Could have been a quick little gain there. That was my fault. I saw all those shares sitting there. I would have had to be real quick on the button though. Why does my music keep stopping? Stupid advertisements. I was in BNGO, BNGO, sorry. I'm still watching it, that's what I'm still watching. I ended up with a 51-cent realized gain. After, I'll show you guys the chart here in a little bit. I tried to get short there again at 44, but didn't get filled. Debating on just hitting the bid here, risking off 50. Yeah, we're gonna try it. We're gonna get short BNGO here, just risking 50, which is high of day. There we go. Looking for 615 area. If we can get down through the 630 area, we should be good. Give us that nice big push. You had it earlier. Let's give us one more. Trying to be patient with it this time. If we can hold under 630, I think we'll be good. There it is, got our fill. It went right to us. Beautiful. Bookmap helped us there. I front ran. There was a decent little order sitting there at 14. So that's why I put it at 15. That was a nice little flush. Took us out. Nice trade there on BNGO. And it was kind of that previous support that was holding last time. Probably could have reversed my position there, honestly. Felt like that was an obvious bounce spot. Of course, I wish you guys could have seen these two trades live because they were actually really good. This is exactly how I'm trying to trade, and would have been a good one to show. Yeah, nice little bounce there after we got out. A beautiful cover. It's so frustrating I'm not recording that either because I'm... Kind of goes against all my principles. The whole reason I'm recording is for myself. I felt a little inclined to get the scanners up there this morning though. Watching OGEN, but I would need a lot out of this thing. Like 150. Bingo headed back to the highs. By bingo BNGO, sorry, I keep forgetting that you guys can't actually see my screen. Try to log in one more time here. You'd think I'd have this access code. Speaking of which, if you are with ISW and you get that access code, write it down somewhere. I just put it in a notepad. If you ever do need it again, you don't have to go through the process of going through and all that like paperwork type stuff to get it again. It's still not working. Bingo looking to go higher. What happened? LX bingo back to high days. LXRX. LXRX would have been a good one. I didn't see that one. There goes BNGO through the highs. There's a big old order there at 650. BNGO running again. Where's this thing going? 7 is the next big order. Looking at the 60-minute, 724. That's, I guess, the daily as well. It's that high from back on the 4th. I didn't trade BNGO this last time. I don't know, it felt like it was getting a little grindy to me. It did give us a pretty big pullback here, though. I was really, if it wanted to pop up to 7, I would have been interested, but I don't know, I wasn't really interested. It felt like it was kind of grinding through 650 there. Dang, LXRX making a run. Let me pull that up. This just feels a little grindy, honestly. Let's see what it does here. See if it wants to go test 550. There it goes. See what it does at 550 here. Reject so far. Feels like it wants to try it though. Wants that liquidity sitting there. A lot of orders all the way up through 575. Is this all-time highs? Never mind. It's actually just kind of in a breakout area. Even though it's up big on the day, it's actually just entered kind of a look left situation. Literally right at it. So high of these candles, 533, 531. Yeah, it's literally right there. Might be why it ran into that little bit of resistance here earlier. People might have been looking at that on the daily. If it holds this as support, this thing could definitely make a move. Bingo would have ended up working out, it looks like. Making its move back down to VWAP here. I wanted Bingo to go up towards 7, but it is what it is. There it goes, right to 550. Did hold that as support so far. OB says that he has a patch here. Let's see. Assuming it's this 119.1, yeah, 142. So we're downloading that. Bingo on the backside, looks like. For now. A little bit of like a head and shoulders type thing going on. Alright, let's see if this works. Get that access code yet again. Hey, it says logging in. Nice. Ah, don't tell me it. Ah, didn't save it though. Oh, I'm gonna have to reopen everything. Oh, I guess that's better than nothing, right? Alrighty. Next out of David's, and then we'll start trying to get this set back up. Words per minute? What word? What are you talking about? Oh, typing. What's up, man? We were having a little issues with the scanners today. Brian just got it fixed. He put out a patch on the website. Yeah, sorry, I meant to say that here. If you go to the website and log in, you'll see a patch that he just uploaded. It should have the date next to it. It's like 119.1 or something like that. Alright, let's see. Pull my OBS up here so I can turn the scene switcher on. There we go. Should switch over. There we go. Okay. Alright, so it has to be live. Goes right there. Lounge goes here. Alright. There's that. Where's my menu at? Let's get my Discord back over here. this is gonna be all messed up because I'm only gonna have one at the moment. Alright, I know they're all the same for right now, but I'm just getting them set up here. I honestly don't even remember what I had this at. I want to say it was 30. Probably 30 to 100. And then 100 to... Sound on. Sound on. Sound on. Alright. So the scanners are set up there. Now, one of these is all messed up. I'm trying to, this one? Also, let's go. So I need to go everything. This one. Oh, you know why? Because of the zoom. There we go. Much better. Forgot about the zoom. There we go. Alright, now I need to fix it again. There we go. Okay. There we go. I just need the clock. Alright, let's pull LXRX back up here, see what we're looking at. $6 area's got a ton of liquidity there. It's starting to look like a little bit of a grinder too, so. Alright, so for anybody paying attention, if you have ISW, just go to the website and download the update. Or patch, I should say. What platform is he using again? It's Intensity Stockwatch scanners. Alrighty. So there's my 2 trades on BNGO that you guys didn't see. You can see I timed my take profits pretty well. I was looking for more of a flush on that first trade, but I didn't get in up here. I wanted it to get up to 7. I wanted it to run. It kind of felt like it was grinding there. Just kind of like LXRX right now feels like it's grinding. it's just the scanner, not the broker's platform? What do you mean by that? I'm stuck in a stock with no day trades. Have to wait till tomorrow. I don't envy your position. I remember being like that one day and it was not fun. Watching EH here. W? What's the W stand for? There's some big liquidity there at 6 that just went through on LXRX. Geez, I already missed the H. And right back up it goes. Sometimes these things have a mind of their own. Right near that key level of 50. It's very grindy. It's a blast through 50 though, if you're interested. What's the float on this? 55. Tesla's moving. Let's give a good look at Tesla. Maybe GDT. Got any shares long of this, Justin? Still got the swing account going? Oh, W? Gotcha. I don't know W. I only know WW. Oh, look, I still type WW. Yeah, it looks a little grindy as well. But I do see it on the scanner. Not a huge fan of the volume in this either. Be more a fan of this EH. Let's see what this thing does. Yeah, Travis, the commissions suck, but you'll never be stuck in a stock. That's for sure. I'm actually getting ready to do my updated CMEG review video. Hoping to do it this weekend or next. I feel like I'm so behind with the videos I want to do. This EH is, I don't know, so grindy looking to me. I was really looking for a blast through 50. This W is just slow. I don't like the volume. YGYI. No permission. Interesting. I think it only has 56,000 volume anyway. I forgot I gotta put the min volume back on these. So, min volume 500. Min volume 500. 500. I still gotta get all my other stuff up. And I'm gonna save this real quick just so it doesn't.
I don't even look at that one when it runs anymore.
Okie dokie, how we doing, guys?
All right, how you doing?
I only got, well, 2 trades on 1 ticker, but it was kind of a handful with all the stuff going on this morning.
Hey, question for you.
What's up?
On the ISW, because I had to reset all my stuff when I downloaded the patch.
Yep, same here.
You know how when you add the second scan and it gives you that number 2, so it doesn't reset all the time? How do I get that? Because I added them, but it doesn't have it.
Hold shift. It's either a shift or control, one of the two.
Okay.
It should, if you go, like if you click on scans and hover over it, it'll tell you which one.
Okay.
Yeah, it
Yeah,
looks
shift.
like, yeah, shift.
Yeah.
Today's that day that's frustrating me. Making 40 bucks, making 40 bucks, making 50 bucks, making 30 bucks.
Dang, making money frustrates you?
It frustrates me when I can't make a big win. Yes. I don't like this scalping for small little trades.
Go short 1 share. W?
Never my intention going into a trade.
Or Tesla?
But what it's doing.
I'm in the
Trades
process of them
going.
now. Can you tell me if I were to use them for a
Trades
month, am I
going.
going to have to pay the platform
that,
fee
dude.
of about 100 plus wire transfers in and out? Yes. If you're gonna use CMEG, I wouldn't plan on using them for just a month, because the upfront cost on just 1 month would be kind of silly. Hold on, let me look at W over here real quick. 50 is looking like trouble for EH. $331 seems. Look at the spread on this thing. 70 cent spread. I was gonna say, if this thing goes through 331, this thing could blast off to, looks like 334.50. If it gets up to 334.50 on this breakout, I'll take 1 share for you. Here. We'll even do 49, just... There you go. Just for you. The wire fees... Justin getting his trading fix through me. The wire fees are... I'm trying to remember. There's no wire fee to send money to them. The only fee that you would incur when wiring the money to them is if your bank charges you to send the wire. To withdraw, it's I think it's $60 to withdraw if you take it out. And the platform fee is $125 a month. And I always say start at the beginning of a month because there's no prorate. So if you start on the 30th of the month, you're going to get charged for the whole month of January, and then 2 days later you're going to get charged for the month of February. So always start on like the first of the month. Yep, no problem. Getting hungry. We refinanced our house, and we're signing on that today at 2 o'clock, so I have to make sure I'm kind of done everything by then. Oh, possible breakout. Here it comes. Yeah, I missed EH. I'm a little annoyed. I feel like if I would have had that up and watching it, probably would have got short. Risking off of that 50 area. When it was up here, 49.50. That was the short right there. But this is grindy. It's not really my kind of play. I mean, W isn't really my play either, unless it has a little bit of a breakout here. So that's kind of why I'd be okay with it if it makes that move. But it's not looking like it wants to.
ACTC squeezing.
Is it?
DTSS. It's on SSR with no shares. No shares on DTSS, and it's on SSR. That thing could go.
I know.
Thing just went.
I meant go. Looking at the daily, that thing could go up to 7.
As Steve would say, it's already up 100%.
Where's Steve at?
He's around. I don't know where he went.
Um, 275? Hell yeah, man. That's exactly what we got. 275. My buddy, he's a mortgage broker. He was saying, "Oh, dude, I can get you like 245," and I'm just like,
Which one?
"Okay, well, go get it." And then he came back. He's like, "I can get you 275," and I was like, "All right, we'll do it." We did the math, and it makes sense.
I need a pullback. I can't chase her.
We
actually
we were
moved shorts on
trying
this
to
thing.
move
There's short
to
SXR
hopefully
though.
buy a bigger house within the next year. So we were doing the math to see if it would even be worth refinancing if we did. And
DTSS.
even if we moved 1 year from now, we would still like we would actually like break even on like the difference between like the amount we add to the mortgage, you know, via the refinance as well as like the interest, monthly payment, all that crap. But if we do stay longer than a year, then we'll actually benefit from it for every month that goes by.
DTSS.
Looks like your W is about to try to flush.
Really wanted to take that. Really wants us to
Oh
go
really?
with
I thought you were staying
DTSS.
down there. We were actually looking in the Savannah Park area
DTSS right now.
just for the schools. We live in the Broadneck area right now, but we're looking to move into the Savannah Park area. Hey guys, I think DTSS is moving.
Yes, a little bit.
Hey guys,
I don't think I posted my trade in here, did I? No, I didn't.
Oh my god, if she said DTSS one more time.
Oh, she's gonna keep going.
I'll give you one shot, Justin. You want me to take your one share to give you your fix? Because I feel like I could just risk high of day here. I mean, this obviously isn't a trade I would normally take, but you're in Hollywood. You didn't move that far. I mean, I guess that is closer, but it's not that much closer. Because you were down. I'm looking at the map now. Yeah, you were... I don't remember exactly where you were. Weren't you like, wasn't it Swan Point, I think? Wasn't that it? Somewhere around there? The furthest south that I've been was Chesapeake Beach, because that's where Anne Arundel County ends, isn't it? Because I feel like I had to drive down there a few times for when I worked for the county, like for a sign that was knocked over or some bullshit.
DCE falling out.
And that's so far away. I remember not wanting to drive all the way down there.
Which one?
Space.
Oh. Yeah.
Morning, Jason. Straight shot down 4. Yeah. Did you do? That's awesome. Was I right on the? I'll have to look it up. See if I can find it. I missed it. I missed it. No. See, I told you. That's what I would have been looking for there. Your little flush, risking off high day there. All right, I'm gonna cancel this. It's not worth it now. Oh, I mean, what would we even got there? 329. So we'd be up a buck. Is that the address? Redfin, Swan Point. Yeah, nice. That was right. Thought you said yeah. It's a nice looking house, man. Yeah, see, that's the thing. I just saw the picture of your front yard. Every time I was down there, it's like a frickin' swamp down there. Nice open living room. I like that. High ceilings. Nice kitchen. I don't like that. That's the only... When we buy a house, I want my kitchen to kind of overlook that nice living room. Oh, it does. the other angle, it didn't look like it did. Well, it doesn't overlook it, but it's right next to it. That'd be nice if you could have knocked that wall down. Haha, Ed Reed up on the wall with Ray Lewis. What's up? Haha, see the whiskey chilling right there. Love it. People will be looking at the listing and like, what the heck is this? It like doesn't even take up that much space either in the garage. It's crazy. You did really well with making that. Oh, okay, I see. Yeah, that would be so nice if you could have knocked that wall down. Open that all up right there. That would have been nice. Got a ton of pictures. Holy crap. Aw, look at where GDT took his baths. Soaking in the tub after a long day of trading. What the heck is this? Like a bomb shelter downstairs? That's like a little bomb shelter. I'm assuming that was for the kids.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Your little tornado shelter. Oh, it was a nice house. 375. That's it for that. Yeah. The power of location. The power of location. The hideout, nice. Oh, it was under the steps. It looked like it went down.
Might a little more.
Oh, look. Would have faked us out. This looks like a grinder anyway.
I'm in the big winner, guys.
You're in your big winner?
I'm in the big winner.
Yay! You sound so happy about it.
No, I'm just still in it. I'm out of it. Alright.
I can't wait for... I mean, granted, Devin's doing really well with it, but I can't wait till this bull market is just over.
Screw you, man.
What? You were doing just fine on the short side, too.
No, honestly, I had my best months ever when I was short
During the COVID crap, yeah.
Those are my best months ever, dude. Ever in my life.
Well, it's because things work out a lot quicker. I mean, granted, right now, you're playing these breakouts, and they're just breaking out, like, every time. It's ridiculous. I keep telling myself to reverse my position, but it's like, I just can't do it. It's against, like, everything I value.
And these breakouts are never quite as large as those breakdowns were, dude.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm saying. And usually when you get those breakdowns, you get a lot of continuation. But with these breakouts, you have people fighting it.
But the breakdowns, dude, I remember like short in CCL and
285
$2 in like
4 years ago.
minutes.
That's not, dude. The liquidity on the housing market right now is just stupid. I wouldn't be surprised. How long have you had that listed? I think it would probably sell really quick. I know houses around us, they're up for like a day, if that.
Not a bad little trade there, dude.
No, not too bad.
Let's see. 8 days.
Yep.
Have you had any offers or anything yet?
Made me, and I was in big. I had 800 shares, so.
I figured you had to be because I saw how many
Exits I had.
Yeah.
Yeah, that house in my area would be 600 easy. Literally, if you just picked that house up and moved it here, it would be worth 600,000. Like literally, what, an hour and 20 minutes north? It's crazy. Nice. That's how you do it.
Oh boy, man.
I remember when we sold our house in Florida when we were moving back, we had 2 people trying to get it. And we were just happy to even get one offer at the price we were asking, because we bought down there for, it was like 265, and we were trying to sell it for 285 like 2.5 months later, and you know that's like statistically impossible in the housing market. And we actually had 2 people. No, we had two people both wanted it for whatever reason.
TNR,
And granted, right now it's actually, according to Zillow, it's worth like 320, which is annoying,
Oh,
but you
man.
know, whatever. Can't time that market. But that's what we did. We were like, well, these guys came back and said they're willing to do this, and well,
That's
these
the
guys,
one
and
that's
then they
really
go,
good
well,
ETNR.
these guys now say they're gonna do this. And it didn't. It actually ended up not going any higher because the one was just like, all right, well, if that's what they want to pay, then oh well, and then that's what they paid. I asked GDT that last time, and he was like, I don't know.
I gotta
He's
learn
like,
to
I
wait
st-
for the
he's
pullback
like,
on these
I would like
things
to
instead
know.
of getting in before them.
Watching penny stock, AAU. What's the float on this? I didn't even see it. Oh, that's why I need the monitor back up. Look at that back up. Guess that would be a watch list.
I just got a little on DTSS.
Short?
No.
Oh, and the bounce. I see it. I see it.
What? I'll be right back, guys.
Yep. Where's the volume on this thing? Oh, it already made. What the heck happened there? I didn't even see that happen. I'm not gonna mess with this thing. I'm just like, I don't know. Look at Tesla, guys. Look at this thing just grind away. This thing is so stupid. I mean, nobody's selling it. Like, it's of course it's just gonna. I was listening to a podcast earlier, before the market opened this morning, and it was like, it was so true. It's like, how can things go down if no one's selling? I mean, it really can be that simple. I still didn't post my trade in the Discord, did I? I'm so mean.
I haven't been looking.
Actually, it didn't even copy because I've restarted my computer. Hold on. Well, Stocks Unhinged. It's nice to know that you watch some of my recaps every now and then. I've actually been trying to make it easier for everyone too. Like if you click on it, if you hover over the timeline, it'll show you where the trades are. I let you know in the title like what tickers I traded, so that way, you know, if you're interested based on the ticker. And it's just been easier for me too because I don't have to sit here after I'm done trading and, you know, worry about making a video.
Not too much resistance. I'm out. I made a little more of that.
I was getting a little too much into the YouTube aspect of it. And I don't mind making like the videos like that I have been, like the reviews and, you know, stuff like that. But when it came to like the daily video, it's like I'd rather just live stream again, and it's just so much easier.
Not right there, dude. Ah, that's a bummer, dude.
Why you guys got to bring up bad memories? If you guys are true GDT fans, you would already know what's going on. Jerks. I don't expect anything different from Addedly though. Addedly, I like Addedly though because he's very blunt. Even though sometimes I don't agree with him, I like his bluntness. I don't even remember what ticker I traded. Oh yeah, bingo. Let's go back and see if I can make this look a little bit more like when I saw it.
Post my last trade, even though it kind of makes me look dumb.
Hey, look, that even actually kind of looks real. Oh! Now it does. Oh! Now it doesn't look real.
No, it doesn't make me dumb.
I miss anything?
I gotta move on DTS stats, but she shook me out. But I'm just going nowhere, so I made money on it.
Yeah, I see where you must have got it. Yeah.
There was my trades from earlier.
Just bingo.
That was it. Just with everything else going on, I don't know. I really didn't see anything else I liked. I feel like there's been a lot of grinders today.
So you got a win on some of your shares. You broke out, break even, then you got a win.
I actually ended up break even because the remaining shares I used high of day, so it was actually I lost money on those shares. But then yeah, I got back in at the top there and made a pretty good amount.
Break even.
Yeah. The first trade was pretty break even. I really was looking just for the 6 test. That would have been a big winner if we got the $6 test there because I added some good size. But then once I realized it wasn't going to 6, I took half off just in case, and I was right. And then it went back to high, stopped out, and then got back in once I realized 650 was failing with the risk off of 650 and got the flush. The bubble map actually told me to put my order right where it was, and it went right to it. It was great. The 615 cover, there was a big order sitting there at 614. Literally bottom ticked it. I actually went to 613 there. Guess it went through. It did, well, yeah, it did. I saw it on the map. What is creek? Like critique?
I think ACTC is gonna go here. I don't like buying it up this extended though.
Monkey. I think Monkey's like, I think he's been losing money lately. I don't check in on him very much, but I think the last time I checked in on him, he was actually negative. Like, he keeps adding money to his account, but I think he's, like, negative overall. I mean, so am I, so. I'm not saying I'm better than him, I'm just saying that's the update that I know of.
Because my risk would have to be down at like 2640. Maybe 2650, but
DBI.
this is a huge risk.
That's a grinder. UMC, another grinder. No, thank you.
Really, it should be down to 2588.
Is AAU running again? Penny stock?
Gonna blow.
Are you gonna say hi to him? I want to see that. He'd probably flip. He'd probably flip out.
That's quite the move.
No, that's such an extended move up to break out now.
Yep.
Is he even live right now? Oh, he is.
Tell us about his downs.
Oh yeah. Look at you making his day.
She might do it, and I might make money if I
Oh
take
no,
it,
he's back.
but
Oh
would
or
be
wait,
totally
starting
breakable.
7,900. Yeah, see, he's actually down quite a bit now, geez. He was like a little under break even last time I had checked. GDT is still listed.
DTSS is dropping.
What is?
DTSS.
325 calls, made good money this morning, 100%. Now look at W.
DTSS.
I don't know if I want to look at W. Ah! GDT trying to lose me money. I mean, he said he would have donated it back, but Told you it looked like a grinder. That's why I got the. I put that EMA on here
There you go, man.
just for that reason, to be honest.
Look at her go.
I don't know why this. I keep getting rid of this 200, and I swear I keep saving, but it doesn't go away.
Darn rules.
Yeah, I think Monkey's all about the YouTube money.
Looking at this from
No
$1
offense to
ago,
him, but I
thinking,
mean,
"Man,
hey,
he
if
needs to pull
that's the
back."
route he wants to go. He's more focused on YouTube than he is trading. I will always be the opposite. I literally just told you like 10 minutes ago that I felt like I was starting to focus too much on YouTube, and I really wasn't. But I was like, wait a minute, I need to get back to my roots a little bit. And if you guys didn't notice, I think it was Tuesday, I actually upped my size. I doubled my size. This normally would have been $10. Now it's 20. So I'm on my way to trying to push myself out of my comfort zone again, so that we can start moving forward. I was starting to get a little too frustrated where I was. I think just that little bump will really kind of
So
get
if I
things
sing a
moving.
song on YouTube, will it like do something?
If you sing the song,
Yeah.
no.
It's only if it actually
Yeah.
hears the song.
Yeah, covers are usually fine, unless it's a really good cover. Yeah, like if you sound just like the song with the instrumental and everything, then it might. But if it's just you singing, you'll be fine.
Okay. I was just curious.
AFRM. Oh yeah. See, this is a play I would actually take, but I don't have any shares. What's the volume on this? Yeah, it's pretty good volume too. It's a little grindy. Nice little breakout through 114 there. Yeah, but I'm talking like you would need instrumentals and like it would have to sound like the real song. Because that's all it does is when it processes, it's listening for that.
So if you were like covering a song on a ukulele that's normally on an electric guitar.
Right. Yep. Exactly.
If you got a full band covering the song and they're doing a perfect job, it could.
Correct.
I gotcha.
Spy is Chop City.
What is this SKT that I keep hearing?
I haven't seen the Spy in like a 50-cent range all day like this in a long time.
Look at SKT, man. I mean, that's a grinder from hell, but.
Everything's grinding. Oh yeah.
That's a grinder, though. I mean, that's.
Yeah, that's definitely a grinder. This AFRM is not a grinder, but it's too expensive for you, and I don't even have shares on it. Nice little breakout through 114 there. Oh yeah, it is. You're right. Yeah, look at that. That's what he meant by day 2.
Which
I may
one?
actually trade Woof when it opens.
Woof?
What is Woof?
It's either PetSmart or Petco. It's one of those.
It's today.
It opens up today at some point.
What is it? WOF?
Yeah, WOF. Woof. Like a dog. Woof woof.
SSR here. Oh, WOOF.
It's got an awesome ticker, man. It's a well-known company. It's going to get some attention.
Well, yeah, especially right now, everything going up.
Yeah, and it's supposed to open up at like
Apparently,
17,
it's
18 bucks.
Petco. According to Stocks Unhinged. Thank you.
What'd you say?
It's Petco.
Oh, Petco. I knew it was PetSmart or Petco was one. I think that thing might go wacky today, dude.
Do you know what time it opens?
No, I heard a rumor that it might be around noon, but so in an hour or so. I'm sure Charlie will come on and say something. I just got a feeling with a well-known company like that, it's bound to make some waves, you know? Especially in this stupid market. So when does the bubble burst? On the 20th?
I don't know. It depends what happens on the 20th.
I just don't know. Well, the 20th is not the day everyone's worried about. Wasn't it or wait, it is the 20th. No.
Yeah, it's 20th.
I thought it was
It's inaugurated.
Wasn't there a day before that where everyone was planning on doing that other stuff though? Wasn't it like the 17th or
20th or something? Or...
Yeah. I want to say it was the 15th, which is what, tomorrow?
Yeah.
I'm back.
You're uploaded.
What is
I
Posh?
never left.
Wolf is owned by Amazon. Apparently Wolf is owned by Amazon. I guess Petco, I mean.
Oh, really?
By Amazon?
According to Stocks Unhinged. Apparently Posh is a new IPO as well.
PSTI if you have shares.
Ooh. The low float. Looks like news. This one looks like it could get a little crazy. Daily screams like it wants to go a little higher.
No shorts here, so.
Ooh. Alright. Because I'm not playing that one.
Yes. Yeah.
The move would have been there over 9, but I don't know. I just these ones where volume comes out of nowhere on some kind of news or whatever it is, they just, I don't know. Not a fan. They're the ones that can just go to like 14 from here.
Yes.
These are the one Brian makes all his money on though, because he'll hit it down here regardless, and then if it goes at 10, he'll double up, and then if it goes to 11, he'll double up, and then if it goes to 12, he'll double up, and then if it goes to 13, he'll double up, and then if it goes to 14, he'll just quadruple up, and it'll be fine.
And he'll be
There you go. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
And at the end of the day, it's like, why didn't you take the trade? It was easy.
He's like, yo, look how green I am. This is my biggest trade of the day. And I'm over here with a blow up.
I couldn't add anymore.
That's what separates us from the big boys.
Separates the boys from the men.
Well, it's like, I mean, when you really think about it, when you have the account and you know that you could just throw something at this when it's already moving fast and the odds are it's going to stop and come back just like it just did, and he took profits obviously on that drop. I'm sitting here saying I need a perfect entry, where he's just like, here, take some money. If I'm right, I'm right. If I'm wrong, then
Yeah.
so I'll add more money when it keeps going.
Just
And
move it up, and
it
just move
makes,
up more
yeah.
and more.
Yeah, I mean, it makes sense, but it's something that smaller accounts just can't do.
Yeah, you need more of a regimented
need-
plan than he does.
Yeah, you need that big old cushion. You need to be able to say, this account can be replenished.
If I get in too heavy and this doesn't work, I'll just fucking put the money back in.
Right. I mean, like, look at Madaz. I mean, he's kind of a great example of that. I mean, he had to build up to where he is now. Like, he didn't trade the way he does now all the time.
no.
But now that he can trade like this, it's like he can take a $500,000 loss and he'll be fine. Like, where before, you know, $10,000 was a big deal. It's just one of those things. You just gotta build your way up to it. But once you, it's almost like one of those things. It's like once you get there, it almost becomes harder to lose at that point.
Yeah, I think that was kind of your issue when you first started doing this, is you were going in with that mentality, but not that account.
Exactly. Exactly.
You were like, yeah, I'll just add, and I'll just add, and I'll just add, and then you're like, holy crap, I cannot add anymore.
Yeah, I think my account's about to like close down or something. I don't have any control over it. Yeah, that would have been a good trade there. I was pulling it up on the bubble map, and by the time I looked back, it was too late. Oh no, stocks. We were we were just talking about back in the day when I didn't really have any risk management. I mean, I had risk management, but I wasn't very good at using it. I'm just not messing with this SSR. To the long side? I feel like that one, SSR, yeah. I mean, I guess like back above this area here.
I'm in small with ACTC.
What ticker?
ACTC.
And she keeps saying roll or something. Roll. I don't know what that
Rel, R-E-L-L.
Hmm. Roo.
I'll be right back.
I realized time like flew by this morning with everything that was going on. It's already after 11. Hey, Justin, if you're still here, take a look at W. You're saying risk off 335, right? He's up.
A lot of that one. Get back a little bit. What is this RELL? Oh,
I don't know. I
that
never
short's on
pulled
that
it up.
wall.
Which one?
Oh wow,
Oh,
yeah,
yeah.
that thing actually took off. I never even pulled it up. That was another one though, just volume out of nowhere.
RELL. I kind of feel like I missed the move. This is gonna be another one of those days, man, where the day is gonna kind of suck. You didn't hop on this rail, did you?
Nah, I never pulled it up.
Yeah, no, I didn't either. But I was like you, I kind of felt like I missed the move.
Yeah, I think I got it up here like 680, 6 in that area maybe. Down here I don't really like to jump in it. CPSH is running. All these little freaky ones are just running. I don't think these are news driven. I think these are just pumps. CPSH.
They look news driven.
What the hell is this little pump all out of nowhere?
I'm watching this stock W just kind of go to the moon. This thing came from $230. It's up at 360. Like last week. It's actually at all-time highs. Just got there today.
W?
Yeah.
Is that Wayfair?
I have no idea.
Yes, it is.
I always wondered who bought stuff from them. It's like so expensive.
I think a lot of the shipping stuff for like Walmart.
Do they?
Yeah. Like if you go to Walmart.com and you try to order something they don't stock, a lot of times it's Wayfair.
Gotcha.
Why am I watching Wayfair like I'm gonna trade it?
Get you some D. WeBull.
I'm sitting here with Wayfair up, just watching the candles, and I'm like, what am I doing?
Why did I just click that button on the $300 stock?
I thought I was watching CPSH, but I was watching Wayfair. I'm like, wait, I'm not gonna trade this.
And DDD is running. I don't know if anybody, if you have shorts, but we don't.
Devin, where are you running to?
Going to the store.
Daddy's going to get a pack of cigarettes. I'll be back. Wink.
Wink.
CPSH. What was this envelope loaded?
CPSH 8 million.
I cannot stop yawning. Mm. I'm just grinding away. I think I might have to call it, guys. I cannot stop yawning. This is horrible. Need some oxygen. I have to get up and walk around for a little bit.
You don't want to risk money on CPSH?
I think that's a sign. I think that's a sign. My light just went off. Alright, I'm gonna get out of here.
I do not know.
I'll be in the Discord for a little bit longer. But if not, at least we got everything set up. We'll be good to go for tomorrow. So, with that said, I will see you guys